What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi 13 keeps dropping calls. So to fix this issue, first of all try reinserting the SIM card. So to do this, take out your SIM card and after that clean it with a clean cloth and put it back in your phone. And after doing this, the call dropping issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down, and when the circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the dropping calls issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Tap on more connectivity options and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now here tap on tap on reset settings. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your network settings, and after that the calls dropping issue on your Redmi 13 will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the keeps dropping calls issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.